Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you get live updates and news into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get that, you just simply have to open your Binance application and then tap to this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap into there, and after that you will get to see this option of Square. Tap to Square, and after tapping into Square you will get to see live at very last into this top detail row. Tap into live option, and after tapping into there you can select so many live updates in order to watch here. You can also get the giveaways options and many more. Just simply select the live which you would like to watch the most, and after selecting the live you can get all the informations, news, giveaways and many more. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.